Mumbaikars woke up to chaos and mayhem as heavy overnight rains left the financial capital choked. Heavy monsoon showers also caused severe waterlogging, resulting in long traffic jams and disruption of local train services. Schools and colleges have also been shut owing to the rains, whereas those going to work were also stuck for hours in a jam. Trains across several routes have also been suspended or are moving at a snail's pace due to flooding on the tracks, leading to overcrowding at the railway stations. In fact, a woman also lost her legs after she fell on a railway track in Navi Mumbai due to the chaos and confusion at the station. Airline services have also been affected, with at least 50 flights cancelled and 27 diverted in fact from Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport due to low visibility, which now has also resulted in suspension of runway operations. The IMD has also predicted moderate to heavy rainfall through the day, and in fact it has also further issued a warning for heavy rain across the state for the next 3 to 4 days. Meanwhile, Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has also taken a stock of the situation on the ground and has also directed agencies to be on high alert. NDRF teams also have been deployed in multiple areas.
267 से 300 mm बारिश गिरी है। ये बारिश जो है ये कम समय में गिरी है और जो पूरी तरह व्यवस्था जो है कैरिंग कैपेसिटी है उससे बहुत ज़्यादा कई गुना ज़्यादा ये बारिश हुई है और इसलिए रेलवे के ट्रैक पे भी पानी आया है। पंप रेलवे ने 200 पंप लगाया है, 480 पंप कारपोरेशन के है, वो पूरी तेज़ी से काम कर रहे हैं और पानी फेंकने का काम शुरू है। और अभी आपने देखा कि ट्रेन भी ऐसा सब शुरुआत हुई है और रोड में भी अभी हमने यहाँ पर देखा सब 5000 स्पॉट इसमें दिखते हैं। सब रोड पे अभी ट्रैफिक शुरू हुई है और सब जगह पे जो वाटर लॉगिंग वाले स्पॉट है बीएमसी के बड़े अधिकारी जो वरिष्ठ है वो वहाँ खड़े हैं, वो भी दिखाई दिया। और इसलिए पूरी सिस्टम जो है स्टेट डिजास्टर, रेलवे, एनडीआरएफ और बीएमसी ये पूरी तरह इसको फेस करने के लिए पूरी तरह अलर्ट है।
Right, so that was the Maharashtra Chief Minister there listing out all the precautionary measures and also all the activities that are underway to ensure that the situation is under control. Meanwhile, Mumbai Civic Body, BMC, is also working round the clock to tackle the rain mess and has also set up a war room to monitor the situation.
Right now we are present at BMC headquarters and these visuals we are bringing you from the control room. Now remember, after torrential rain, it has been monitored by the BMC officials from the control room, where all the officials are tracking and monitoring each system from here. We understand all the BMC officials are on point to track and trace every low-lying areas, and of course the maps are also being monitored by them. All the areas, all low-lying areas, expressway are being seen in multiple cameras, as my video journalist Chandan is showing you. This is to spot the waterlogging places as well as inundated places in and around the Mumbai city as well as in the western and eastern suburbs. What we also understand is that in 6 hours of rain, there has been around 300 mm of rain which has been witnessed in the eastern side expressway, and talking about western side, that's more than 200 mm of rain that has been observed in the BMC data as well as by IMD data of rainfall.
Heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected in the economic capital of India, Mumbai, and as of now we are reporting from the Marine Drive area where high tide right now is going on. As you can see through the lenses of George, you will understand that how there is a 4.40 meters of high tide that we are expecting right now, and even the visibility has gone down so well that you can't see any buildings, you can't even see Rajyapal's residence. There is a governor's house which is a highlighted point over here from the Nariman point, from the Marine Drive, to see for the viewers over here, for the visitors, but that's clearly not visible as of now. And in fact, high red alert has also been given to people so that they do not come on the roads unnecessarily. In fact, the Chief Minister has also inspected several locations and has instructed people and requested them to not move outside their houses until highly required. And as you can see, there are police vehicles over here at the Marine Drive to ask people not to come at the seashore. And interestingly, a 4.40 meter of high tide is going on right now.
So clearly the Chief Minister has already given assurance the state government is also now in action mode, but the rain mess has also sparked political confrontation over the monsoon preparedness of the Maharashtra government. Uddhav Sena leader Priyanka Chaturvedi took to a social media platform to criticize the Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, questioning his pre-monsoon inspections. In fact, State Congress Chief Nana Patole also accused the Chief Minister of corruption and also prioritizing photo ops over effective flood management.
महानगर पालिका के चुनाव नहीं हुए, जिला परिषद के चुनाव नहीं हुए, गए 2.5 साल से प्रशासन और सरकार इसके माध्यम से ही काम चल रहा है। सरकार की मानसिकता ये भ्रष्टाचार की थी, लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था खत्म करने की थी और उसी का परिणाम आज मुंबई उपमहानगर में जनता भुगत रही है और सरकार का ये पूरा फेल्यूर है। आप तुम साइट पे जाके अपना फोटो सेशन कर भी लोगे तो उसका क्या फर्क है? नेचर है।
My colleague Shivani joins us on the broadcast to get us more information on this. Shivani, a couple of questions here. Number one, what's exactly happening as far as the rain situation is concerned? What are the actions being taken by the Maharashtra government? And secondly, the opposition is now questioning Eknath Shinde's actions, his pre-monsoon inspections. They're saying that all of those were photo ops because now that it's rained, the situation still remains out of control.
Firstly, if you talk about the actions being taken right now, is that the cleanliness is being done right now on the streets, which was not done earlier. Similarly, the Chief Minister has come down and has stated that people ideally should not step out of their houses unless and until highly required. So, which is not an action that the people should take. Rather, it was an action that was required from the system side. On another side, how the politics is being done right now, we have also been reported at several locations in Mumbai and outside Mumbai as well. We have seen how the manholes are not clearly clear. The cleaning has not been done in the month of May, which is a part duty of the BMC. The BMC has not done its work, which is what is causing flood-like situations in Mumbai. And also the inspection was done earlier by the Chief Minister, by the commissioners of the BMC and also by other officials as well. But certainly all those meetings, all those visits have been seen as a failure picture today because all the manholes are filled. Nala Safai is something that has not been done well by the BMC in the city, and that is what has caused the major flooding at many areas. In fact, Kurla Sain area, we have seen the highest waterlogging area in Mumbai. The train tracks are completely shuttered down because there is overfloods of water that has gathered on the tracks of railway and which is not even getting out of the tracks. As of now, as we were already seeing visuals of the Chief Minister as he stepped down on the streets and have gone down to inspect what the situation is like today. But interestingly, it is the opposition which is questioning the election of the BMC that has certainly affected the city this year. There is no electoral people sitting in the BMC, and that is where the work that used to happen earlier has certainly not happened this year. We have seen that Mithi Nadi like river, those are not clear. In fact, teams of NDRF, SDRF and other rescue teams are said to be on the alert mode. But right now, when we were at Nariman Point at few minutes back, we have seen that there is 1 or 2 vehicles of the Mumbai police, telling people to not come on the seashore or not sit on those drive paths. But rather, there is no BMC official, there is no BMC worker who's present on the ground from the rescue team to inspect people, tell people that they should not be coming on the seaside because the situation is of high tide.
Right, Shivani, I appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there with all those details. So clearly there are a lot of questions being raised on the effectiveness of Maharashtra government. Eknath Shinde, of course, carrying a lot of pre-monsoon checks, but none of them seem to be showing any signs of effectiveness as far as the rains are concerned. And one only hopes that the situation is brought back under control quickly, given the fact that IMD has already predicted rains for the next few days as well. Now, shifting focus